Panaalala pa nila, Kokoy. Okay. Sabi niya, ano nga ba yun? Ayan. And we will be witnessing a performance po of a group that volunteered to the Climate Change Commission. They wanted to showcase their talent because they have been performing in several radio stations already, and they are singing several different environmental songs.
So while we're waiting, gaya ng sinabi kanina, no, lahat tayo na participants dito, it would be best kung i-echo natin yung mga natutunan natin dito sa mga schools natin. Just like one delegation, do we have representatives from PLM here? PLM? Are you guys here? Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila?
Over
there. Ayan, so I got your text na meron nga kayong gagawing event about climate change. So that's good. Sana lahat din ng mga high schools and universities gumawa rin kayo ng mga sarili ninyong mga projects na ibababa ninyo sa mga schools ninyo kung ano natutunan nyo dito. Alright?
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have with us the performers from Infant Jesus Montessori Center.
Infant Jesus Montessori Center Youth for Environment in Schools Organization, or the IJMCSO, is an environmental student organization committed to nature preservation through knowledge and student empowerment. Our mission is to increase youth awareness on various environmental issues through social networking and be one with other environmental units with similar aspiration. To create and organize a range of projects and advocacy that would address the different ecological challenges and to take the necessary actions that will guarantee a safe and viable Earth for future generation. So without further ado, please welcome the IJMC YesO Apolaki.
Gising na o kaibigan, mundo natin pangalagaan, ating iligtas, kinakalikasan sa kapahamakan. Huwag na tayong mag-alinlangan, bagkus tayo'y magtulungan. Ating kapaligiran ay mahalin at pangalagaan. Gising na o kaibigan, mundo natin pangalagaan, kaya ating iligtas, kalikasan sa kapahamakan. Huwag na tayong mag-alinlangan, bagkus tayo'y magtulungan. Yes, ating kapaligiran ay mahalin at pangalagaan. Hindi mo pa napupuna kung ba't tayo binabaha. Tayong mga tao mismo na rin ang gumagawa. Kung bakit merong dumi, hangin mong nilalangha. Bibihira na lang makahinga ka na kay sarap. Imaginein mo nga, buhay sa ating hinaharap. Paubos na mga hayop, ay nako, may saklap. Sari-saring mga species atin humahalo na. Di natin nadadama, sila ay naglalaon na. Paano na? Kung wala nang maabutan, sunod na generasyon maaabutan na kwentuhan. Kaya advice ko kapatid, iwasan mga illegal at lahat ng mga bawal. Kung gusto mong tumagal pa ang ating kalikasan, ay ingatan natin to. Huwag nating pababayaan na masira kapahamakan. Huwag na tayong mag-alilangan, pagkus tayo'y magtulungan. Ating kapaligiran ay mahalin at pangalagaan. Kumilos ka, sabay-sabay tayo linisin ang kapaligiran. Maging isang halimbawa tayo sa pangangalaga sa ating mundo at pagmamahal sa inang kalikasan. Sama-sama tayo, kapit tayo sa kaganda patungong pagbabago. Payabungin, likas niya dahil bigay ng Diyos to. Alagaan ng kalikasan ang nais ng Yeso. Sama tayo, kapit tayo sa kaganda patungong pagbabago. Payabungin, likas niya dahil bigay ng Diyos to. Alagaan ng kalikasan ang nais ng Yeso. Sama tayo, sama-sama tayo. Kapit tayo sa kagandahang patungong pagbabago. IJMCSO. Ito pong susunod naming kakantahin, binabagatan naming pagbago, and we dedicate this song to Greeneration Summit. Dati kulay luntian ang kapaligiran, at dati napakaraming puno sa kagubatan.
Thank you so much to Youth for Environment in Schools Organization, or YESO, of the Infant Jesus Montessori Center from Dasmariñas, Cavite. Bigyan natin sila muli na isang masigabong palakpakan. Sobrang inspiring, Ate Pebbles, ng song nila, no? Especially at their age, na sobrang young pa. Pero yung passion nila towards the advocacy, sobrang nakikita mo sa kanila.
From the heart talaga yung pagkanta nila, di ba? So mararamdaman mo yung message as young as they are, they already know how to take care of the environment and the problems that our environment right now is facing.
And Ate Pebbles, sila pala ang gumawa ng dalawang kantang yun.
Wow. Isang palakpakan
Sobrang
ulit
ganda.
para sa ating performers. Very talented.
Very inspiring. Ang galing, no?
Ang galing. Now, we come to a part, a while ago, we were able to listen to GMA and of course to Rappler. And this really shows that the media really plays a crucial role in effectively disseminating correct information on climate change and disaster.
Definitely, that is why we are recognizing journalists in the Philippines on their outstanding coverage of climate-related issues and critical role in promoting awareness of climate change through the production of engaging and eye-opening news and current affairs reports.
The Climate Change Media Awards has 5 categories: Climate Change Adaptation Awards, Climate Change and Energy Awards, Climate Change and Nature Awards, Climate Change and Disaster Awards, and Climate Change Photo Awards.
So at this point, may we call on Secretary Lucille and Assistant Secretary Joycelyn A. Goco of CCC and Ms. Imelda Abano of the Philippine Network of Environmental Journalists to join us on stage for the awarding.
So may we invite our Secretary and of course our Assistant Secretary Joy Goco to help us in awarding our outstanding journalists. We are doing this initiative because the Climate Change Commission has the mandate to oversee information dissemination on climate change. That's why we wanted to influence our media and capacitate them to better understand what climate change really is and what climate change adaptation and mitigation are. Here are our winners for Climate Change and Nature Awards.
Our first awardee is an inspiring feature TV production showing how communities in typhoon-hit areas like Camotes Islands in the Visayas cope with the changing climate through planting mangroves in indigenous ways on how to protect themselves from calamities. Congratulations sa Gip Kalikasan by the UNTV team.
That is Sagip Kalikasan by the UNTV team. For our second category, Climate Change Adaptation Awards. His story captures the transformation of the communities from culture-based agriculture to a sustainable and ecologically friendly farming practice. Ladies and gentlemen, our winner for this category, Watershed Protection Through Sustainable Farming by Jeffrey Tupas of newsdesk.com based in Davao City.
Now, our next category is the Climate Change and Disaster Awards. Our awardee, her multimedia report show the nuances of displacement due to flooding and extreme weather events And what kind of improvements should the government explore in crafting solutions and responses to this problem? Our awardee is Losing Hope, Homes and Hopes, taking a critical look at policies for climate refugees by Purple Romero of Rappler.
Funny how they shoot you down when your hands are held up high, and you open up your heart and soul, but that's not enough for most.
Congratulations! And for the last category, Climate Change Photo Awards. His photo captured the devastating impact of Typhoon Bopha at the coastal village in Talisay, Cebu on the lives and properties of people living there. Waves Wrecked Seaside Village by Victor Quintanar of Demotics Newswire based in Cebu City is our winner.
All of the jungle says you look after yourself.
Again, thank you very much and congratulations to all our winners.
May we invite our other winners to join us here on stage for a quick photograph, photo opportunity, picture taking with our Secretary and ASEC, and of course with the President of the Philippine Network of Environmental Journalists, Ms. Imelda Abano.
Again, the Climate Change Media Awards honor journalists in the Philippines on their outstanding coverage of climate-related issues and critical role in promoting awareness of climate change through the production of engaging and eye-opening news, features, and current affairs reports.
And other than this awards, actually we will be having a workshop on climate change adaptation for our media persons. Again, thank you very much and congratulations.
Alright, so at this point, ladies and gentlemen, may we again request Secretary Lucille Sering to stay on stage and further challenge us in planning and acting on climate change. Friends, our Greeneration champion. Once again, Secretary Lucille Sering.
Hola. Hola, chica, chicos. Lobat. I need to hear a good palakpak. Ano yun? Chichay. Yep. Very good, attentive. Pinagsama niyo yung chichay, tsaka si Chiquito. Anyway, first of all, and last of all, thank you all so much for being here. Now, somebody asked me, then what's next, right? There's a lot of journalist students who are here. I said, what happened to the previous generation you had? You know what happened? Mga estudyante na nag-create ng kanilang generation, a youth for the environment. Meron na rin mga journalists in schools, papers na nag-create ng special column. We hope to also see that in your own schools. We need you because we cannot be anywhere else all the time or all the time. So sana, mag-commit kayo na kung anong natutunan ninyo, isi-share nyo rin sa iba. Dahil naniniwala ako, kahit anumang sabihin ko dito, mas maganda pa rin kung kaibigan ko ang magkikwento. Right? Can I hear yes, please? Yes. Over here? Yes. Merienda. Lunch. Merienda. A harder yes. Yes? Yes. Dito. Yes. Okay, you're now married to me. Wow, dami. Now, before we go, I want to recognize the schools are here. And I want to hear a loud, yes. Okay. I want to see you. Stand up and be recognized. Angeles University Foundation. Ang dami. Isa. Again. Repeat. Okay? Angeles University Foundation. Palakpakan nyo naman. Ang layo kaya ng Angeles. Saan nga ba to? Sa may Cebu? Ay, saan nga? Pampanga. I know naman. Okay. Another one. Angeles City National High School. Round of applause to our friends. Arellano University. One more. Arellano University. Yes. Assumption College, Antipolo. Nasa toilet daw. Be make-up retouch. Okay. Assumption College, where are you? Okay. Baliwag University from Bulacan. Thank you for coming. College of the Holy Spirit, Manila. Spirit na lang talaga. Nasaan ba? Spirit? Oh, there you are. Thank you. Colegio de San Agustin, Makati or Manila? Okay, again. Colegio de San Agustin, Makati, where are you? Please stand up. Please stand up and be recognized. Round of applause, please, from our high school students. Napakalayo po nila. Mas mabilis pa mag-eroplano kaysa sumakay ng sasakyan sa tindi ng traffic, di ba? College of Immaculate Conception. I don't hear yes. Again. College of Immaculate Conception. Oo na nga lang kung hindi kaya ang yes. De La Salle University. Yes, that's my alma mater. Wala? Asan ang La Salle? Ang layo din kasi ng La Salle eh. From here, ano? Malayong malayo. Friends of the Seven Lake Foundation. I have to give a special mention to this group. They're always present. Please stand up and be recognized. Saan nga ba yung Seven Lakes? San Pablo. Okay? They're very involved kasi San Pablo is also one of the critical area, especially the Laguna Lake. Yes, organization. Wag na kayo mag-yes. I just want to know where you are. Yes, organization. I think the kids who performed earlier. Infant. Anong term nun? Kinabog ko si Secretary Siring Kabog. Thank you. Well done. Kayo ba yung Yeah, I really enjoyed that, no? So much to learn. Tumaas na naman ang presyo ng bigasyo. Ganun na ba yun? Infant Jesus Montessori Center, Dasmariñas, Cavite, zip code 101. Sobrang kompleto ito. Where are you, Infant Jesus Montessori? May zip code pa. Kayo ulit? Okay. Fraudulent information is not allowed in the stage. Ismael Matay Senior High School, Quezon City. Quezon City, where are you? Quezon City? Okay. Thank you for coming. Hindi kayo binaha? Hindi naman. La Consolacion College, Manila? Yes! Louder please. Ang daming nanalo sa inyo sa Kamsur. May halik pa kay Governor Migs. What do you think of Governor Migs? Have you seen him when he's wakeboarding? Just his shorts? Oh, you should see him. When I Googled his name, that's the first picture I saw. You can Google it now. Oh, we are live streamed. Okay. Miriam College. Palakpakan nyo naman ang Miriam. Malayo rin ito. Marikina, right? Earthquake prone? Hindi naman. Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Please be recognized. Stand up and be recognized. Shake, shake pag may time. Kanina pa kayo nakaupo. Let's do it. Where are you? Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Ay, nandun pala. Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Marikina. Oh, tumayo naman kayo, ang dami nyo. Come on, shake it. Shake, shake, shake it, shake it. Shake, shake pag may time. Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Kaya naman hakot ang awards. Anong kwento, ba't nandyan kayo at nandun sila? Ano? Nilaglag kayo nito, napunta kayo doon. Philippine Women's University. Asan? Nakakasunog pala ito dito. PWU? Oh, sorry, I didn't see it. It's a light. Thank you for coming. San Sebastian College, Manila. Go, Baste. Ay, iba yon? Iba yon? Go, Uste pala yon. Go, Baste. Santa Catalina College. Fairness, hindi nag-uniform. Are you excused? Excused. St. Michael's College, Laguna. Winner. Again. Again, I like that. Ano nga ba ulit? St. Michael's College, Laguna. Ako din ho, mamimigay ng libreng trip. Trip to Siargao. Pero open to senior citizen only. I need the 20% discount because I am not as rich as the governor and the mayor. Sinong above 60 dito? Aba, may umamin. Madam, mag-iipon muna ako. Okay? Merong kumagat. Pero ilan ang above 60 dito? Joy Goko, maming ka. Okay. Tarlac State University. May, kayo pala yung maingay dito sa likod. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Technological Institute of the Philippines. Wow. Anong difference ng Technological University of the Philippines? Anong difference? Spelling. State University and you're private. Now we know. We learned something new today, right? Ito. The sorry po, dito nag-graduate nanay ko. The National Teachers College. Palakpakan niyo po sila. Thank you. Malayo rin yung inyo, ano? Hindi naman. University of the East. University of the East. Ito rin ba yung Go, Uste? Iba rin. University. Iba, anong cheer nyo? Why not? Ay! University of Santo Tomas. Parang quitis na wala ng ano. Again, I like your cheer, no? We cheered for you when we won. It's very good sport. I wanna hear. Don't we all wanna hear the Go Iste? No. Wag na daw. Pero one more. University of Santo Tomas. Yun lang. University of the Philippines, Diliman. UNESCO Club. Ang dami. Again. University of the Philippines, Quezon City, Diliman. UP nga kayo? Please stand up and be recognized. Our state, the top university, State University in Quezon City. Okay, someone's reacting over here, Jules. Okay. UP Saver. Kayo rin. Friendly naman ito, ano? UP Green League. Nakilala niyo ba si Captain Planet? May sumagot si Captain America. Ang sigaw-sigaw niya, ang lakas. Kilala niyo ba to? Opo! Sino yan? Si Captain Captain America! Talaga lang. And Tansa, sorry po, hindi Tarsa, nagkamali po ako na. Tansa National High School, Cavite. Tansa High School? Ilan taon na po kayong high school, sir? Advisor, sorry. Sorry, Tansa National, thank you for coming. Did I miss anyone? I'll feel so bad if I missed any school. Oh, yung kaibigan natin from East Timor. Oh, Adamson University, come on down. You're the next contestant for the next contest. Okay, anyone else? And of course, you know, after all of this, I really hope you'll look at our webpage. You don't have to be a troll. You know what a troll is? Ngayon ko lang nalaman kung ano ibig sabihin ng troll. Alam ko sa troll, cute. So anyway, please be involved because what we've seen in the last few weeks in our country it's not funny. If you can contribute by just informing any friend or anyone out there of what you've learned today, and if you can save one life, then I think we all know that we have at least made a difference. So again, I want to hear a resounding yes from everybody that this forum doesn't stop here. Can I hear a big yes? Yes! Oh my God. Thank you. And now, I think this concludes our program. I would like to thank, there is one more that will entertain you, then we all go. But first of all, I would like to thank Jules. Please come on the stage. Our hunky, good-looking. How old are you, Jules? 22. I'm not Freddie Aguilar. 22 years old. Ooh, that was can we cut that? Yeah. Okay. So Jules, thank you so much
Thank you
for
so much,
doing this for
ma'am.
us. You're from?
University of the Philippines.
University of the Philippines. And again, also our very own Pebbles Sanchez. We can't do this without them, or without her. Come on, Pebbles. You know, I have to tell you this story, and I'm so proud of her. She graduated cum laude from UP NCPAG. What's that? Magiging cum laude ka pag masipag ka, ganun ba yun? She's a very good singer. She was in a contest with Sarah Geronimo. Siyempre nanaro si Sarah Geronimo. Wait, di pa ako tapos. She was moving up, but she had to quit the contest because she wanted to finish her studies. She graduated cum laude, and Sarah Geronimo is a superstar, and she's with us. No. If she didn't have the right frame of mind then, I wouldn't have the privilege of working with Miss Pebbles. Bawal umiyak. Yung si Kokoy, ang nag-isip ng tula nun, si Rachel, over there. Hindi po Rachel Lubangco si Rachel, Rachel Seso. Siyang gumawa ng tula, cum laude PUP. Ha? Yung iba pong mga kasama namin dyan, yung mga nakita nyo mga bata kanina, mga anak po ng mga staff namin. Grabe ang confidence level ng mga batang yon. As in, believe ka, ang kukulit, pero they're so cute. They're so cute. So, I'm grateful to all the staff who took pains to prepare this. These are the kind of people we want to see working in government because we need people like them to serve you, all of you. Right? And who else did I miss? Walter? You were late today. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, again, everybody here, USAID, most especially Rappler, for giving us live stream. Please give a hand approach. You have to check their site. That's the first site I want to look at. Of course, other sites are also as good, but this one, Rappler, you have to see. Globe, for being our sponsors here. And then we will have a Paint It Light campaign with Boysen at the end of this week. We will paint the roof of UPPGH to see before and after in terms of temperature. Kasi a light roofing improves room temperature. So you want to see that as a test. So is there anything else I missed to thank? The IKM group, thank you so much. Everybody else in the Climate Change Commission. And in behalf of the President, President Benigno Esimion Aquino, and my other colleague commissioners, Nader Evsanio and Harrison Alvarez, thank you all for being here and be part of the generation. Magandang gabi po. Ay, magandang hapon po at maraming salamat. Daghan salamat.
Thank you very much, Secretary Lucille. Oh my gosh. Wait, hindi ko po dala yung multiplex ko. Ano bang gusto niyo? Nakakasunod, joke lang mo.
I can hear love on top.
Aegis?
Or royals daw. Or Aegis. Royals.
Listen. Ako na lang. Pebbles, listen daw. Hindi ko alam. Hindi niya alam. Alam niya Aegis. Kilala niya si Aegis? Ayaw niyo pa umuwi? Hanggat di siya kumakanta, di ba? Pressure is on, Pebbles. Talent and intelligence ito.
Dati ring beauty queen si Ate Pebbles.
Pwede
Totoo
ba
yan.
tumbling kapalit ng kanta?
Okay. Kinakabahan din po ako. Okay, Aegis. Mag-Aegis tayo ngayon. Ano ba yun? Ano po ba? Ha? Wow, love on top. Medyo babaan natin ang konti. Halik. Halik daw, halik. Ano ang halik mo? Ano ay halik? Ang halik mo? Nasasaktan ako, oh baby, sa tuwing nakikita ka. Nalinibog ako, baby, pang may kasama kang iba. Pagkat ikaw ang tanging laman ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay. Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Bakit iniwan mo ko?
Pebbles Sanchez!
Ay, nako.
Nax! Nakapag-concert ka na sa SMX.
Yes, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I'll never forget this. At ang susunod na magpe-perform, mas magaling po sa akin.
Si ma'am.
Si Jules daw po ang susunod na magpe-perform.
No! Hindi ako kumakanta eh.
Sumasayaw siya.
Hindi talaga.
Sample. Yan talaga kapatid. Okay.
Okay na tayo.
So, like what the Secretary said, we hope that you will share your learnings on climate change and initiate your own adaptation and mitigation programs in your school and community. Sabi nga, we should plan and we should act.
And climate change may have devastating effects, but there's still hope. And this hope lies in our hands. I plan, I act. Sabi nga, Ate Pebbles, we should refuse a future where super typhoons will be a part of our daily lives. And we could do that if we could do what Bianca Gonzalez said a while ago. In our own simple things, if only we care, change could happen.
So for the finale performance, we are very honored to present to you once again an award-winning chorale from Mindanao, from Capital University. Let us all welcome their choir, Capital University Chorale.
And reminder, a certificate of participation will be provided at the registration booth outside. So lahat kayo may certs.
Ito na.
Again, for our finale song, let us all welcome Capital University Choral.
On this planet and blinking step into the sun. There's more to see that can never be seen, more to do that can never be done. There's far too much to take in here, or to find can never be found. But the sun rolling high on the sapphire sky, it's great and small on the endless round, the circle of life, and it moves us all through despair and hope, through faith and love, until we find our place on a path and find it. In the circle of the circle of life, and it moves us all
dream that one day our voices will somehow fill the earth with joy forever. I dream that someday our wishes will somehow soon come true and last forever. Ooh, I dream that someday our souls in some way will bring a bright tomorrow, full of love, full of hope, full of joy. I see this one day, and all the world will hear us. That someday we know we stand before us, singing one song together, everywhere, saying we are gonna love you, people of the world. We are gonna make you a better world. We are gonna love the world. We are gonna make you a better world. I dream that someday our wishes will come true and last forever. Ooh, I dream that someday our songs in some way will bring a bright tomorrow, full of love, full of hope, full of joy. I see this one day when all the world will hear us. That someday we know we stand before us, singing one song together. Everywhere we are gonna love you, people of the world. We are gonna make you a better world. We will respect you, gonna love you. We are gonna love you, people of the world. We are gonna make you a better world. We will all respect you, people of the world. We are gonna make you a better world. We'll make you a better world.
Once again, the Capital University Chorale.
This event is brought to you by Climate Change Commission in cooperation with the Commission on Higher Education and the Department of Education, with the support from the United Nations Development Program, United States Agency for International Development, GIZ Philippines, Globe Telecom, SM Cares, International Organization for Migration, and Rappler.
Thank you so much to all delegates. Once again, this has been Jules Giang from the University of the Philippines, Diliman.
And this is Bebel Sanchez from the Greeneration team of the Climate Change Commission. Thank you for joining us, and we hope that you help us spread the word. Certificates of participation